Eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, is a chronic inflammatory condition of the skin. It's most characterized by dry, itchy skin. And it's interesting because even though it's a rash that's itchy, most patients will call it the itch that rashes, and that's because it's the itch that's more bothersome to them and can really affect their quality of life. So for many people, eczema will appear for the first time in childhood, but it can persist and last through adulthood as well. It's unknown what exactly causes eczema. For some people, it might be environmental, meaning they may have triggers related to dry or low humidity environments. Other times it can be somewhat family oriented, meaning you may have someone in your family that has eczema. If you have a family history or a personal history of asthma, food allergies, hay fever, you may be more likely to have eczema as well. Skincare is an important aspect of managing eczema because people with eczema tend to have dry and sensitive skin, and so it's important to have a skincare regimen that does not exacerbate that dryness or that sensitivity. So a few things we will recommend as dermatologists is to make sure that your skin stays moisturized, which may mean reapplying moisture during the day as your skin tends to dry out. So if you have eczema and you're using a lotion but still feeling dry, you may want to consider using a cream instead. Lotions are nice and they're lightweight, but creams have a thicker consistency, and so people with eczema may prefer that so that they can retain a little bit more moisture in their skin. We will also recommend certain lifestyle things to try to minimize the dryness. For example, limiting the time in the shower or the bath to about 10 to 15 minutes, not using very hot water, which is very difficult for some people, and I understand, but lukewarm water is better because hot water will dry out your skin even more. Finally, I would also recommend moisturizing immediately after the shower or bath when your skin is still a little bit damp, because that actually helps retain moisture in the skin better. If you have more than mild eczema or your symptoms are persisting, it's a great idea to reach out to your doctor because you may need some prescription medications to give you better relief. Eczema can really affect quality of life. That itching that people have to deal with, it can interfere with school and work, and I think that patients with eczema really deserve better relief and should be able to reach out to their doctor to get some if their lifestyle changes are not covering it.